You. A Valley Memory Care Center has been cited by the state after one of its patients walked out of the building undetected and was found dead hours later. But advocates are furious, saying that the penalty was not harsh enough.
Team 12's Chase Golightly has been following the story of 88-year-old Ina Jenkins since the summer and joins us from Gilbert with the very latest details on the investigation.
Doors not locked and patient check-ins not happening. Those are some of the problems the state found in its investigation. As for the fine this facility faced for one of its patients wandering out and later being found dead, $500. 88-year-old Ina Jenkins, a patient with dementia at the Silver Creek Inn Memory Care Center, walked out of the facility unnoticed by staff on the morning of August 8th. Gilbert and Mesa police were called out at 9 a.m. to start the search. That same afternoon, hours later, Jenkins was found less than 2 miles away, dead in an irrigation canal. The county medical examiner ruled the primary cause of death, heat exposure. Authorities were able to identify Jenkins at the scene from a photo provided to them by her husband. They also noticed the shoes she was wearing had her name Ina written on the bottom of them. Now, police reports and records from the Arizona Department of Health Services are clearing up what happened. The state investigation revealed the last time staff saw Jenkins was at 5 in the morning that day during their hourly head count of patients. But after that, the report says no one checked on her at 6 or 7. Then at 8 o'clock, staff noticed she was gone, calling police an hour later. Reports done by the Gilbert Police Department revealed they believe Jenkins got out from an unlocked door. It noted while the facility has locked doors and alarm systems to alert staff, one of the doors that morning was propped open by janitors so they could take out the trash, leading to other areas with no alarms or locks that eventually go to the outside. The state cited the facility for multiple issues, including not following proper procedures for patients who may wander, not knowing where patients are, and not having doors locked or alarms set. We received a statement from the executive director of Silver Creek Inn that says in part, over the past several months, our team took all appropriate actions to support and cooperate with law enforcement and agency efforts pertaining to this tragic and isolated incident. As for the outcome, the state fined Silver Creek Inn $500.
The result is a $500 fine. That's outrageous.
The state director of Arizona AARP, Dana Kennedy, has been outspoken about how these types of facilities are regulated, calling on further oversight from the state to make sure this never happens again.
There should be stiffer penalties for people who, wander out of a facility and die because they weren't properly looked after.
We reached out to the state to find out if any further action will be taken against the facility and for further clarification on why the fine was set for $500. We're in Gilbert. Chase Golightly, 12 News.
All right, Chase, thank you.